I'm glad you found this video. This video also found you. I'm going to teach you the basics of pendulum use. And there are also hidden answers inside this video. Answers you've been seeking. The first answer is all of the knowledge that you seek has been hidden inside of you. There is a special message coming in for you right now, and this is an important one. You need to have no rulers over yourself in order to be victorious in this game. So you need to believe in yourself and know that you have all of the answers that you are seeking. This is why you need to seek your infinite source, self-connection to yourself, which is who you are outside of this matrix virtual reality game. By learning the basic pendulum use that I'm going to tell you about, it's going to empower you to govern over yourself. And these answers of how I use my pendulum are from my own personal experience. So what is the most important thing to getting your infinite source self-connection? It is raising your frequency so you can connect and get accurate, truthful answers. Remember also that you can use pretty much anything for a pendulum, whether it be a piece of string and a round marble attached to it, or one that you order off the internet that's, a couple dollars. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can save this video also to rewatch over and over again, so that you can get it memorized of how to do this. A lot of you probably haven't thought about this, but the direction that you're facing while using your pendulum can affect how your results come out. My pro tip is never use your pendulum facing north. There's a magnetic pull that can affect things. Also, when I'm not using my pendulum, I keep it in coarse ground sea salt when not in use. It keeps it cleansed. And when sea salt is not available, I simply put my hand around my pendulum while holding the pendulum in one hand and slide my hand down over it, and I say out loud, I cleanse my pendulum with my intent. Your intent is powerful and works great. Here's an answer about the pendulum that you need to know. In asking your pendulum questions, it is not your pendulum answering the questions. It is your infinite source self that you're asking the questions to. And your pendulum is just the conduit that shows you the answer. Now, how to program your pendulum. So first, you're going to hold your pendulum in your hand for a few minutes. Let it feel and pick up on your energy and get your energy onto it and in it. After a few minutes, hold your pendulum up to your mouth to speak into it these words. I program my pendulum with my infinite source self-truth only, and receive answers only from my infinite source self without any interference of the matrix game. Without any interference of my subconscious mind, without any interference of what I think and believe, without any interference of what I want to believe, and regardless of what frequency level I am on. Now your programmed pendulum is programmed and ready to use. You can sit comfortably on the ground or in a chair, whichever you prefer. Ask your pendulum to show you a yes answer. For me, a yes answer is the pendulum moving forward and backward towards my body and away from my body. Ask your pendulum to show you a no answer. For me, a no answer is my pendulum moving left to right, side to side. Now ask for your pendulum to show you a rephrase, the question answer. For me, my pendulum does a counterclockwise circle when it wants me to rephrase the question a different way. Ask your pendulum to show you a possible yes answer, but also asking you to rephrase the question. Mine does a clockwise motion on this. Oh, for me, clockwise is yes, but rephrase the question, and counterclockwise is no, rephrase the question. Or your pendulum may give you a different answer of how it wants to show you what a yes, no answer and rephrase the question is, and that's okay too. There are some tips of why your pendulum hasn't worked for you previously. Your pendulum is not for predicting the future, as future events are always changing based on source players' choices. If you ask a question about the future, you could get one answer today, ask the same question tomorrow, and get a totally different answer. This virtual reality game is run on code. It's like a computer program. And there are many programs running. You need to ask your infinite source self who is who and what is what. Accept the answers you get with neutrality and ask the same questions over and over to confirm. This is your inner intuition for the truth that you seek. The knowledge and answers are hidden inside of you. Practice with your pendulum till you get comfortable with it. Another hidden answer for you in this video is sometimes when one door closes, the door to truth opens for you, and it definitely benefits you. Trust yourself and trust that it is okay. More tips about the pendulum is to be neutral when asking these questions. Sometimes you can just close your eyes so you're not looking at your pendulum. Close your eyes and then look. That way you're not influencing it by thinking what you want the answer to be. You will get good at this. You can do it because you are a powerful creator. You're awesome, and you need to believe in yourself and trust yourself. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment in the comments section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you benefit from the knowledge I'm sharing in this video, then it benefits you to say thank you via gift via PayPal. It's an energy exchange that benefits you. By source players assisting other source players, encouraging and helping each other, my amethyst pendulum says yes to the questions and answers I have given in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that my Pendulum 101 info has helped you.